Let your game on. Dice. 2. 6. Who comes first?
I summon. When this card is normal summon, you can target one another face-up monster on the field. In face.
Draw. Activate. Radio key. Destroy all monsters on the field. I summon Elemental Hero Ocean. In attack position. Direct attack. 1-5. Enter.
One card.
Draw. Okay. I activate Polymerization. One hero monster plus Neos equals Elemental Hero Neos Knight. Special ability. This card gains attack warrior type monster fusion material monster used to fusion this card. Other than Elemental Hero, this card can attack twice each battle. Okay lang. So plus 400. 2-9. Now attack. One level 1. Ay tama.
Magtumang best.
Yeah. Attack. Destroy. Enter. Draw. Activate. During my standby phase, I can return one elemental hero monster from my graveyard to my hand. I summon Rothweiler in attack position. I attack 2.
Let's destroy by battle with a monster that has 100 attack or more than.
Okay. 100.
Ay, 1-9 attack pa lang.
1-9. Attack. Attack. 800. Enter.
I summon in face.
Draw. Activate special ability. I can return one elemental hero monster from my graveyard to my hand. And I tribute summon and normal summon elemental hero Blade Edge. Attack. Blade Edge. Destroy. Direct attack to 6. I set one card on the field and turn. Draw. I summon elemental hero Sparkman in attack position. Now, elemental hero Neos Knight attack. Okay. Edgeman. Blade Edge to 6. Okay, and elemental hero Sparkman.
Ano pa ba ako? Gusto ko lang tayo pero parang mangyapon. Pag insam ko manini.
Okay, so